Hello coin lovers. Welcome back to Bullion and Beyond. Have you ever picked up a simple coin from your pocket and wondered if it could hold a hidden story? Millions of people use coins every day without giving them a second thought. They buy groceries, pay for transportation and receive change without ever looking closely at the designs or the year printed on the coin. Yet for collectors, every coin is a piece of history. Every day tells a story. Every design reflects a nation's culture. Every small detail can make one coin different from another. Today we are exploring the fascinating 1994 Thailand 5 Baht coin. We will discover its history, its design, its specifications, its role in Thailand's economy, and the factors that collectors consider when determining whether a coin has collectible value. Stay with us until the end because this coin has an interesting story that every collector should know. The 1994 Thailand 5 Baht coin was issued during an important period in Thailand's modern history. During the 1990s, the country experienced significant economic growth, expanding industries, increasing tourism, and rapid modernization. Coins produced during this era supported a growing economy while also preserving Thailand's national identity through meaningful artistic designs. The 5 baht denomination quickly became one of the most commonly used coins in everyday circulation. It was handled by millions of people every day, making it one of the most familiar coins in the country. Although many examples remain common today, collectors continue searching for well-preserved pieces, outstanding quality examples, and unusual mint errors that can make certain coins more desirable than ordinary circulation pieces. The obverse of the 1994 Thailand 5 Baht coin features the portrait of King Bhumibol Adulyadej, also known as Rama IX. His reign lasted for decades, making him one of the longest reigning monarchs in the world. Throughout his lifetime, he dedicated himself to improving agriculture, education, healthcare, scientific research, water management, and rural development across Thailand. His portrait on the coin symbolizes national unity, leadership, and public service. For many Thai citizens, this portrait represents a period of stability, progress, and pride. Because of his remarkable contributions, his image remains one of the most respected portraits ever placed on modern Thai coinage. The reverse side displays the beautiful Wat Bencha Mabafet, which is internationally known as the Marble Temple. This remarkable temple is famous for its elegant architecture, imported Italian marble, peaceful surroundings, and detailed craftsmanship. It is one of Bangkok's most visited landmarks, attracting tourists, historians, photographers, and collectors from around the world. Featuring this temple on the 5 Baht coin reflects Thailand's deep respect for its cultural heritage, religious traditions, and architectural achievements. Every time someone holds this coin, they are also holding a small representation of one of Thailand's most treasured monuments. Collectors carefully evaluate every aspect of a 1994 Thailand 5 Baht coin before determining its collectible appeal. The year, condition, originality, strike quality, luster, and surface preservation all influence how desirable a coin may become. Coins that remain in brilliant uncirculated condition with no signs of wear are generally more attractive to collectors than heavily circulated examples. Professional grading services examine every detail under magnification before assigning an official grade. Higher graded coins often attract greater collector interest because they preserve the coin almost exactly as it appeared when it left the mint. One of the most exciting areas of coin collecting involves searching for mint errors. Occasionally, a coin is struck with an unexpected manufacturing mistake. Examples include off-center strikes, doubled designs, die cracks, clipped planchets, rotated dies, or other unusual production characteristics. Genuine mint error coins are much scarcer than normal circulation coins because they were never intended to leave the mint. Their rarity often makes them more interesting to experienced collectors. Every unusual feature should be examined carefully before assuming it is a genuine mint error, because post-mint damage can sometimes resemble manufacturing defects. Many online videos claim that every old coin is worth thousands or even millions of dollars. Responsible collectors always verify such claims by comparing auction records, professional grading results, and trusted numismatic references. Most ordinary 1994 Thailand 5 Baht coins are worth approximately their face value unless they possess exceptional preservation, a verified mint error, or another rare collectible characteristic. Learning how to separate realistic information from internet rumors is one of the most valuable skills every collector can develop. Before we finish today's journey into the fascinating world of the 1994 Thailand 5 Baht coin, I want to thank every one of you for watching and supporting the channel. Your interest in rare coins, historical currency, and collectible treasures inspires us to continue bringing you detailed research and educational content from around the world. Every coin has a unique story, and together we are discovering the history, culture, and value behind these remarkable pieces of numismatic heritage. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, please take a moment to support the channel by clicking the like button. Your like helps this video reach more collectors, coin enthusiasts, and history lovers around the world. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos featuring rare coins, valuable discoveries, historical currency, mint errors, auction highlights, and expert collecting tips. We regularly explore coins from the United States, Canada, Europe, Asia, Australia, Africa, and many other countries, giving you accurate educational content designed for both beginners and experienced collectors. We would also love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments section below and tell us which coin you would like us to feature in our next video. If you own an interesting coin or believe you have discovered a rare variety, let us know, because your suggestion could become our next detailed presentation. Thank you once again for watching. Stay curious, keep collecting, keep learning, and we will see you in the next exciting episode with another remarkable coin from somewhere around the world.